I'm Tim Johnson with Shop Tour Reviews. We're here at the Flex booth at the Sema Show 2019. Probably the most exciting tool here at the Flex booth is the new PXE 80. And this is their little 12-volt polishing tool. But I'm telling you, the features this has and the power that they're able to lay down on a panel with this tool is pretty amazing. So the PXE 80 comes with what you see here. Comes with a 1-inch rotary spindle or a 1-inch rotary. Comes with a 3mm dual action orbit and comes with a 12mm orbit dual action as well. These things easily pop in and out of this. Just pull the slide ring back, push this in. Now I can be polishing on a kind of a larger area. If I want to get very small and detailed, I can put the rotary on here, pull that back, lock it into place, and you're getting all this with the kit as well as two of the 2.5 amp hour 12-volt batteries. Now, runtime on this, even with a 2.5 amp hour, still getting 30 minutes or more. Some people are saying they're getting upwards of 40 minutes plus on a 2.5 amp hour battery. Pretty amazing, especially when you've got two batteries. You can easily slide them in and out, change them out, and you've got your battery level indicator to actually tell you how much power you've got left in that battery. Now, if you want to step up, if runtime's a big deal for you, you can go up to a 4 or 6 amp hour battery. It's going to, again, extend that runtime for you, give you longer runs on those tools. And these different spindles, you don't have to just, pull them out and change them out. You can also take them off very easily by unscrewing them and change your pads that way if you want to. So your 3mm can not only be for a 1-inch, you can also use a 3-inch backing plate on that as well. As far as laying down the power, you've got a slide lock switch here where you can lock that in, but it's also variable speed. So you can literally use that like a trigger to slide up where you want to as far as how much power you want to add, or you can lock it into place and use the electronic control here to set your maximum amount of power that you want. So really fine detail on this unit, able to get around those tricky areas, whether it's around door handles or recessions in a panel, your A and B pillars, things like that, or just doing spot correction, headlight restorations. Great tool for that. Very balanced tool. When you're holding this tool in your hand, number one, it's not big at all. Number two, very balanced with the slide pack battery and with the dual action or the rotary unit on the front. Just a very balanced tool, able to get anywhere you need to with this unit. With the kit, you're going to get the two 5 amp hour batteries, the tool, going to get a bag, and the smart charger with it. And these chargers, Flex understands battery technology. They own the battery manufacturing as well as the tooling, so they understand how to talk to one another, which is very critical, especially when you get into brushless technology. And with this little tool, 12 volts, brushless motor, you still can't hardly stall the pad. You can actually see when we're actually bearing down on a panel, you're still getting rotation out of this little 12-volt tool. Kind of something that we didn't expect, because usually on a 12-volt system, you can pretty much stall it when you want to. But make sure you check this out from flexnorthamerica.com. Also keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Have a great day.